Let's look at a few buttons on the Roku remote. First, you will notice the home button. The home button will bring you to Roku's landing page. Next, you will see the back arrow. Below, you will see Roku's 4-way directional pad, or D-pad, for your up, down, left, and right movements with the OK select button in the middle. Next, you will see the instant replay or skip back button along with your star options button. Lastly, you will see the rewind, pause, play, and fast forward buttons. Note, some remotes will have a voice command option as well as TV volume controls on the side of the remote. The program highlighted will display information on the top of the screen such as start and stop times along with a visual time bar to display the current progress of the program. Underneath that, you will see a time bar that shows the current day, time, and temperature, along with the current time indicator. While looking at the guide, certain programs may indicate there is a live event or a new program showing. You can move the blue cursor throughout the guide by using your D-pad up, down, left, and right. The guide lets you preview 48 hours of future content and allows you to rewatch previously aired content up to 24 hours. After searching through the future or past content, you can press the skip back button on the remote to quickly put the guide back to current time. You can quickly flip through the guide by using your remote's fast forward and rewind buttons. Fast forward jumps the page ahead 10 channels, and rewind jumps the page backwards 10 channels. To enter a specific channel number, press the star button while in the guide. Then click on Jump to Channel and the channel number box will appear. Type in desired channel number and navigate to the OK option in the window. After finding a desired channel, click the OK button on your remote to get into the channel options. Select the Watch tab to begin watching. You can also bypass the options menu by pressing the play, pause button on your remote from the guide. Click the back arrow on your remote to exit your program back into the guide. While watching a program, you can use your remote's D-pad to access channel options. The up and down arrows allow you to flip one channel at a time. The right arrow pulls up video options such as restart this program. The left arrow allows you to quickly flip between your 8 most recent channels. The star button on your remote shows you options such as closed captioning, volume mode, and accessibility options. The rewind arrow goes back roughly 30 seconds. Fast forward and rewind buttons on your remote allow you to rewind the programming or fast forward through content until the program is live. The back arrow will bring you back to the guide. Although the guide only shows up to 48 hours of future guide information, you can click OK on any program. From the options menu, go down and click Search. This will display up to 12 days of upcoming airings. To manually search for a show, from the guide, press the back arrow. From the options header, navigate to and click the Search tab. Then type in the desired program. From there, the show will populate and you can view up to 12 days of upcoming airings. While in the guide, press the back arrow. From the options header, select For You. The For You option allows you to see recently watched channels, movies playing right now, the most popular shows on the GVT network right now, movies soon to be aired, channels that are playing live events happening now, and the weather. The weather shows you a 7-day forecast with a detailed weather description within each day. To create a favorites list from the guide, press the back arrow and navigate to Settings. From the settings, you can turn on or off Show Only Favorites in Guide and manage your favorite channels. To enable a favorites list, first select Manage Favorite Channels. Scroll through and check the channels you wish to be added to the list. After you have chosen your desired channels, click on Show Only Favorites in Guide to toggle on. To disable the list, go back into Settings and click on the Show Only Favorites in Guide to turn it off. The full guide will be restored. To set up recordings, click OK on the program you wish to record, and in the Channel Options menu, scroll down and select on Record. Then choose your recording options. You can choose one-time recording, record series new only, or record series all episodes. To access your recordings from the guide, press the back arrow on your remote. Choose Recordings from the Options header. Here you can watch current recordings, view upcoming recordings, or set series rules. From the current recordings, you can click and watch any previously recorded content. Recordings set as a series will be stored in a designated folder saved here. You can access any recording from the series folder. Once recording is selected, you can watch, delete, or protect. After your cloud space is full, to prevent any recording from being deleted, choose the Protect icon to lock and ensure the recording will not be deleted. From the Recordings menu, you can scroll down to select Upcoming Recordings. These are recordings that will be saved in the future once aired live. In the Upcoming Recording list, you can edit your upcoming recordings, delete a single recording, or protect a single recording. Under the series rules, you can open up any series to edit or delete. Select the Edit tab to change any recording options, starting with Keep at Most, single digits up to 10, Show Type, All or New Only, and the start and end times of the recording. After your recordings are set, a red dot will appear on the guide next to the program that is recording or that is set to record. To add a device, such as another Roku or Fire Stick to your account, from the guide, click the back arrow to open your Options header. Go to Settings and scroll down and select Manage Account. This page will display a list of streaming devices on your account currently, with an option to add devices on the bottom. After selecting Add Devices, a login and temporary passphrase will be generated for you to enter into your new device. After the cloud space is full, your oldest recordings will be deleted. To save a recording in the current recording folder, select the program and then select the Protect icon to prevent a recording from being deleted. For additional help, please call 1-800-448-8260.